Good evening, all. I welcome all you people to my Informatica IICS new batch. So we have completed one demo session till now and one introduction session. So I'll send you those if you did not join that. So meanwhile, before starting the session, please subscribe my YouTube channel. You can search in Google Chrome, Raj Informatica YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel. So please subscribe this YouTube channel. I'm sending you in the Zoom chat. Take 1 minute time and please subscribe and click a bell icon. In this, we have around 36,100 subscribers are there, 36.1K subscribers, and we have 494 videos uploaded till now. In this YouTube channel, you will be having different videos about different courses like Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica IICS-IDMC, Snowflake, Azure, GenAI, Power BI, AWS DevOps, Python, cybersecurity, SAP FICO, AI and ML, and etc. etc. There are many courses available. So please subscribe, like, and comment the videos. And we have a website called rajinformatica.com. I'm sending you my website. So this is our official website, rajinformatica.com. So in this, you can see different interview questions available here, different materials available, and different courses available we have here. So we have GenAI, Informatica IDQ, CDQ, AWS Data Engineering, Azure Databricks and Data Engineering, Snowflake, Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica Cloud, IICS IDMC, AI and ML. So then cybersecurity, Power BI, SAP HANA, and FICO, GCP, Python for AI and ChatGPT, Salesforce, okay, and AWS DevOps. So these are the courses available with us. Okay. So before starting the session, take 1 minute of time and provide your phone numbers, please. Please provide your WhatsApp number or phone number in the Zoom chat so that we will add you to the project WhatsApp group. We will be having a project WhatsApp group which contains daily job updates, and also which contains daily discussions, and also which contains interview questions, materials, etc. etc. So to add you, we require your WhatsApp number, please. So please provide your WhatsApp number, guys. Everyone, take just 1 minute of time. I'll be giving 1 minute of time. So please, everyone, provide your phone numbers. So I'll be giving 1 minute of time. Everyone, give your phone numbers, please. Others also, please provide. Most of the people given. Whoever not given, please provide the phone numbers. Others, please provide the phone numbers. Most of the people given. Others, whoever not given, please provide the phone numbers, please. Everyone, please provide the phone numbers. Okay, now let's start the session. Others, so please provide your phone numbers. So there is special offer going on today. So please wait till end of the session to get the special offer. We'll describe about the special offer at the end of the session. Yes, please. Yeah, okay. Fine, guys. Now, let's start the session in the last session. So in the last session, we have seen, we have completed one demo session, one introduction session. Today is the actual technical session today. So if you want the last two sessions, go to my YouTube channel. If you want last two sessions, go to my YouTube channel. Just a second. So the first session, the demo session will be here. I'll show you. How many days? Yeah. So this is a demo session, and also the first session is this. Okay. So this is a demo session video. I'm sending you to you. This is demo session video. If you did not attend, please watch this. And next, yeah. And next is this introduction session. This is. So I sent you both the videos. Please watch them if you did not watch. Okay. Yes, guys. Fine. So in the last session, we have seen what is IACS, what is IDMC, what is the difference between on-premise and cloud-based retails, and how to create the trial accounts. So that is what we have seen till now. Now there is one important update. Okay. So previously, while we were creating trial accounts, what we were doing to create a trial account, you need to go to Informatica IICS-CAI trial version. Okay. You are opening this link. So by this link, we need to open. Here we were giving the Gmail IDs. Okay. Here we were giving like this. Now, if we give any Gmail ID, it is giving invalid corporate email. It is giving us invalid corporate email error. Did anyone got this error? Did anyone get this error, please? Did anyone get this error? Others? Did you try to create the trial accounts, everyone? Others, is everyone created the trial accounts? Can you reply created? If you are created already, can you reply as created? If you already created, can you reply as created? If you did not create with your Gmail ID, from maybe some updates are going on. Some updates are going on from Informatica side. That's why it is temporarily not working. But maybe later, after 1 week or 2 weeks, it may work. Okay. After one week or 2 weeks, it may work. But now, as of now, how to create the trial account when you get this error? Okay. So that I will tell you now. Yes, please. Yeah. Just watch. Just listen carefully. 1 second, guys. Okay. So what we will do is, we will give you an email ID. So please WhatsApp to my team. If you want to create, suppose if you are unable to create with your Gmail ID, what you do is, you WhatsApp to 8105296858, or we have another number also. I'll provide that number also. Or this number. WhatsApp to my team will give you a ID and password. My team will give you the email ID and password so that you can directly log in. They will give you like this, they will give. Okay. I'll show you how they will give. Okay. Now if you see what they will give the link. So this link they will provide. They'll provide the login URL. These details they will send you individually, each different. And they will give login, that is email ID, and also password. So that you can work for a month. After 1 month, you can ask again. Maybe after 1 month, it will work again. Okay. Did you understand, guys? So if this trial account is not working for you, or if you're unable to give your Gmail ID, please contact to my team. My team will give you the login URL, login ID, that is username and password. Are you clear, everyone? Please, quickly. Everyone, are you clear? Any doubts, please? Are you clear, guys? Okay. So previously we were created with this Gmail ID already. So go to that. We already created. I am going to that. So I am going to this URL. So to log in, where I need to go? I need to go to here. Chrome incognito window, new incognito window, and paste this. So it will ask username and password. This username password I will give you for everyone. Different user IDs. I'll give it to you. So the username is the Gmail ID. Give it. Password. I am giving my own password and login now. So it is logged in. The first step we need to do is check whether Informatica service is running or not, up or not. Once you log in, the first thing you need to do is whether Informatica services are running or not, you need to check. So now how to check? So once you log in this page, open administrator, open data integration, and open monitor. Open administrator, open data integration, and open monitor. So this is what you need to do it. Yes, please. Okay. Now go to administrator first. Now go to administrator first. Okay. In this, go to runtime environment and then click on secure agent. This is secure agent. Click on this, your computer name. Now see here, few are running, few are stopped. See, there are two things, okay? Common integration components, 2 services are there. Data integration server, 2 services are there. Mass ingestion, 2 services are there. Process server, 1. ODA collector, 1. So now what to do? You always check the latest version. Now what we need to work with CDI, we require data integration server and common integration components. In these two, both no need to up and running. Which is the latest in these two? In this data integration server, which is latest? Latest is one is 74.0.1, another one is 75.0.1. So latest is already up and running. In these common integration components, this is the latest one. This is got error. So what to do? In the downside service common integration components, stop this and then start again. Once you stop, now again start. So the latest will be up and running. See now, once you start, I started it. Just start it. Once you start, it is starting up. The latest one, 26.0.1. Same way, mass ingestion is not required. OA collector is already up and running. If you want to run mass ingestion also, click on mass ingestion, stop first, then start that same. Start again. So within 2 minutes, it'll up and running. So we require only two. Are you clear about this, guys? Everyone, are you clear? Now refresh. Let's wait for common integration components up and running. We need only this now. Data integration server is already up and running. Now we require only common integration components. Okay. Yeah. So now refresh again. Still starting up. Just wait for 1 minute. Refresh again. If you are still unable to, if it is stopped again, you need to restart your system. If it is stopped again, you need to restart your system. Okay. Just hold on. Let's see now. Meanwhile, that will be up and running anyways. So it will take some time. Meanwhile, that's not a problem. So now what we do today? Today we will do a mapping. To do a mapping, what we need to do now? Okay, we'll do one mapping. I will take one. I'll take source database. Target database. Source schema. Target schema. Source table. Target table. So in our training, we will discuss about, I'll show you how to work on Oracle database, SQL Server database, and then I will show you how to work on Snowflake database, AWS. I'll show you all these things in the future sessions. As of now, we will take source database as Oracle, target database also Oracle. We will take source schema as OT. We will create this now, OTSRC dev 1. Target schema as OTTGD dev 1. Source table as customers. We will create this also, and this as customers TGT. To do this, you must have Oracle installed. Is everyone Oracle installed in your system? Is everyone Oracle installed in your system? Please reply quickly. Is Oracle installed in your system? Do you need Oracle software? If you need Oracle software, go to my YouTube channel. go to my YouTube channel. And here search with Oracle installation. So this is the one. If you don't have Oracle in your system, so please use this. Okay, I'm sending you the link in the Zoom chat. In the WhatsApp group also I'll send you. So here I have shown how to download, how to install Oracle, how to download and how to install Oracle. Yes, please. That is what I have shown. I sent you. So I already installed Oracle. So open SQL Developer. Open SQL Developer. I have already installed Oracle. So please, everyone, please provide your phone numbers if you did not given. Everyone, please provide your phone numbers if you did not given. Just hold on. One second, please. I'll tell you. Okay. So I'm opening again. I'll show you again from start. Please provide your phone numbers. If you did not provide, we will add you to the project WhatsApp group. Take 1 minute time and please provide the phone numbers. Everyone, guys, don't miss, guys, please. Please provide your phone numbers if you did not given. Everyone, whoever not provided the phone numbers, please provide. Others, whoever joined now, please provide the phone numbers. Okay. So now first, we will take source as Oracle database, target also Oracle database. We will create source schema. How to create source schema? Open SQL Developer. If you already source schema, you no need to create. Okay. If you already having, then no need to create. If you don't have it, create it. Okay. If you don't have it, create it. Now go to SysSchema. Okay. Here write down create user. The source schema we need is OTSRC. Okay, 1 second, please. Yeah. OTSRC Devon identified by admin. And then I am giving grant all privileges to OTSRC Devon, the schema name, and then grant DBA to this already discussed in PowerCenter training. Okay, executed. So my source schema is created. Now configure the source schema. How to configure? Click on the plus symbol here. So a window will open. The name is OTSRC Devon. Username is OTSRC Devon. Password is admin as per the whatever we have given here. The same thing we need to give here, and then test, and then connect. Okay, test and connect. Same way, create target schema also. Just copy paste this and change this OT TGD1. Okay, and then configure it. I create a target schema also, then configure it. Okay, I configured source schema, target schema. Now, as per our mapping, we require customers table. So if you need customers table, what you need to do is open today's material. So open today's material. So we'll send you the material in a zip file. In that, the first in the folder Oracle tables and data, there will be one notepad. Right click and open this in notepad. Right click and open this in notepad. Okay, so this is the create table statements I have. Copy all this, select all, copy all this, come to source schema and execute here, and paste here, select all and execute. So all the tables will be created. In source, all the tables will be created. Same way, open the next notepad, second notepad, right click and edit in notepad, select all, copy, Control A, Control C, come to source schema and paste it and execute them. So you will get the data. So not only just these tables, I'll be giving many tables with many data in the future sessions. This is just for practice purpose. I'll be creating many tables. So now take source table, select star from customers. So this is a table we have. Here we have around 310 records. In my source, there are 310 records. We should send this to target. We will be having 0 records. After running the mapping, these 310 should go to here. Now we need to create target table. So how to create target table? Take the structure of source table. Take the structure of source table and go to target schema. Create table customers underscore TGT. Open and close brackets. Here you give not nulls not required. A comma. And execute it. So target table also created. Table customers created. So how many records we have in target table? How many records we have? We have 0 records in my customers TGT table. So now what to do? I want to send these 310 records. I want to extract 310 records from source and load it to target. Now the first step we need to do is, once we got the mapping document like this, first we need to create source connection and target connection. We need to create source connection and target connection. So how to create source and target connection? We will see now. Before that, let me tell you what is the secure agent. Before that, let me tell you, in the last session I told you I will tell you about the secure agent. So now let's see what is secure agent. Okay. See now this common integration component is also up and running. Okay. So we require only 2. See, for example, in PowerCenter, if you save a mapping, where it will save? In Informatica PowerCenter, If you save a mapping, where it will save? Anyone, please? In PowerCenter, if you save a mapping, where it will save? In repository. In the metadata tables. It will save in the repository and also metadata tables. It will save in the repository and also in the metadata tables. But in Informatica Cloud, for example, this is Informatica Cloud. Okay, this is your system. This is your computer or system. This is your laptop. In the laptop, you open Google Chrome. In the laptop, what you have done? You open Google Chrome. This is Google Chrome, for example. Okay, this is Google Chrome. This is Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, what you done? You opened Informatica IICS-IDMC, Informatica Cloud, that is IICS-IDMC. You logged into IICS or IDMC in the Google Chrome. Now, if you create a mapping and if you save it, where it will save? It will save in Informatica Cloud. So from Informatica company, there is a cloud space. Maybe they are using any cloud. Maybe they are using AWS cloud or Azure cloud or Snowflake cloud, whatever it is. Azure or AWS or Google cloud, whatever it is. Okay. So this is Informatica company side. Somewhere it will be in their company side. Okay. This is Informatica cloud. Informatica cloud. What is this? Informatica, from Informatica side, there will be a cloud space. Informatica cloud space, I can say. Whenever you create a mapping here, for example, you created a mapping in IICS-IDMC in your laptop, it will go and save. It will go and save in Informatica cloud space. There is no repository tables. There is no repository in IICS-IDMC. In PowerCenter, we had a repository, but here there is no repository at all. It will directly go and save. If you create a connection, if you create a mapping, if you create a table, if you create a source transformation, if you create a target table, it will go and save in Informatica cloud space. How it is saving? By using secure agent. In your laptop, you installed a secure agent, correct? In your laptop, you installed a secure agent. Yes or no, please? So by using this secure agent, so this is secure agent. This is secure agent. By using secure agent, the mapping or whatever the object you create in your system, in your local system, will directly go. Not only that, for example, I have a table. This is Oracle database. For example, this is Oracle database. This is Oracle database. In this, I have a table called customers table. I have schema, and also in this, I have a customers table. Now, I wanted to import this customers table to IICS. I wanted to import this table to IICS mapping. How it will import? Again by using a secure agent. Again by using a secure agent, it will import. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? By using a secure agent, you can import the source or target from any database, from any cloud, and also you can save whatever the work you have done, it will save under Informatica cloud space by using secure agent. So without secure agent, you cannot work with IICS. Are you clear about secure agent, please? Are you clear about secure agent, everyone? Understanding? Are you clear? Okay. Now let's create a mapping. So please provide your phone numbers if you did not provide. Quickly, guys, everyone. Whoever not provided the phone numbers, please provide your phone numbers if you did not provide, so that we will add you to the project WhatsApp group. So now we got the mapping document. We have the source table, we have the target table. Before you create a mapping, first you need to create a source connection and target connection. How to create source and target connection? Go to Informatica Administrator, Informatica IICS-IDMC Administrator. I'm in here. In the left side, we are seeing connections. I am in Informatica Administrator. Go to Connections. Click on Connections and create a new connection. Click on Create New Connection. Click on Create New Connection. The connection name, you can give any name. For the connection, I am giving CONN underscore OT-SRC dev1. I am giving a name as CONN OT-SRC dev1. Yes, please. OT-SRC dev1. I am giving the name. And type. Because my source table is in Oracle database, select Oracle. Once you select Oracle, now see it is asking runtime environment. That is secure agent. If you select runtime environment, if you select secure agent, then only it will connect to Oracle. Otherwise, it will not connect to Oracle. So, secure agent is very important. So, runtime environment is a secure agent. Click second one, your computer name. And then username. From where I will get this username? Go to Oracle, source schema, right click, properties. So, these are the username password. These are the usernames. So, select the username and paste here. Copy the username from Oracle source schema. And the password, don't copy the password, type the password. Host, localhost, whatever there in the source schema, give the same thing. Port 1521, okay. Service name, XE, whatever it is here, you just copy paste here. And then code page, let it be. Now, test connection. Now, secure agent is working in background. It is establishing a connection between Oracle and IICS. Now see, because of the secure agent or runtime environment, the test for this connection was successful. Then save. Once you saved, your source connection will be saved. See now, your source connection will be saved. Now, same way, create a target connection. Click on new connection. Connection name is, what is the connection name? CONN OT TGT dev1. CONN OT TGT dev1. Okay, you can give any name, but give a meaningful name. Then type my target is in Oracle database. Select Oracle. Runtime environment again. If you want to connect to target database, you should select your secure agent. Then username. Go to Oracle. Select your target schema. Right click. Properties. The username copy and go to your Informatica cloud. Paste here. Password, type it. Whatever the password you created, whatever the password you used when you create, the same password you put it here. And then host. The host name is localhost. Paste it here. Port is already there. Service name is nothing but SID. Then here, test connection. That's it. Save. So now my source and target connections both are created. Now we are ready to do the mapping? Did you understand how to create the connections, please? Everyone, did you understand how to create the connections? Are you clear? Just hold on, guys. 1 second. So guys, everyone please provide your phone numbers. Everyone please provide your phone numbers without fail. Everyone please provide your phone numbers if you did not provided. So now let's create the mapping. Let's create the mapping. So now how to create a mapping? You need to go to data integration. Go to data integration. The first step is you need to create a project and folder. You need to create a project and folder. To create the project, go to data integration, go to explore. Project and folder creation will be one time. Go to data and Informatica data integration, explore new project. Give the project name anything. So I am giving PRJ underscore batch or something, anything. You can give anything. Give a project name and then double click on the project name. You will enter into the project. Now click on new folder. Click on new folder. I'm giving the name as Raj Cloud, the folder name. You can give any name. You can give any name. Yes, please. You can give any name. Save. So now where we are double click on this, I am in all project, project batch, and then I am in Raj Cloud folder. Okay. Yes, please. So if you want to go to there, how to go? For example, how to go to the project, how to see that in the data integration, go to explore. You can see your project name, select it. You can see the folder name, select it. This is how you need to select the project name and folder. So now whatever the mappings you create, those mappings will be created under PRJ batch project and also batch folder. Just hold on 1 second. One minute, guys, please. Yeah. Let's do the mapping now. Okay. So to do the mapping, you need to go to explore all projects. So you will be here, prj_batch and Raj Cloud, whatever the folder. Now click on plus. You need to create a mapping now. We created the source and target connections. Now what we need to do? We need to create the mapping now. Go to new. In this we have tasks, data ingestion and replication, mappings, maplets, task flows, components. Click on mappings and then create a mapping. So once you create a mapping, it will show like this. So it will give already a source and target. So this is not actual source and target. See, the left side window is a connection window. And then downside window is the properties window. Downside window is the properties window. And here there are few buttons. I will explain what are those. And here in the design, we have source, target. These are all transformations. These are all transformations we have. Source transformation, target transformation, access policy, aggregated transformation, data masking transformation, expression transformation, filter transformation, hierarchy builder, hierarchy parser, Java, joiner, lookup, maplet, normalizer, rank, router, sequence, sorter, SQL, structure parser, transaction control, union, velocity, web services. These are all the transformations we have. Yes, please. Understood, everyone? So now, if you see the buttons, this is save button, run button, and this is undo, redo. These are like a parameters button. This is like mapping valid or invalid button. This is validation button. This is SQL ELT button. This is arrange all, delete, cut, copy, paste. This is zoom in, zoom out, and this is arrange all. Okay. Now you need to understand first about this. Before going to anything, what you need to do? You need to understand this window, please. To understand this window, okay, 1 second, guys. 1 second, please, just hold on. Yeah, to understand this window, see now a blue border is showing here. A blue border means I selected the mapping. And the downside, if you see the downside, okay, this mapping properties, mapping name, location, description. For example, if I select source, keep observer down. Now this properties window will change. If I select target, it will change automatically. If I select empty space, like this, the whole mapping will be selected. Now the first step is, you need to change your mapping name. See now the properties window, this is properties window, the 3 dots, you can scroll up, scroll down. For the properties window, we have 3 buttons here. One is minimize, restore, maximize. For example, if I minimize, this will minimize down. This will minimize down. For example, if I click on this, it will come back again. If I maximize, it will come to full screen. So let it be restore only. Did you understand? So this is properties window. The down window is called properties window. Yes, please. Now what I need to do first? Select the mapping. How to select the mapping here? Click on the empty space. The blue border should show for all. The blue border. Now mapping name. Mapping name will be M underscore target table name. Customers TGT. Customers TGT. This mapping will be saved under PRJ batch Raj Cloud folder. PRJ batch Raj Cloud folder. It will save. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Then what you need to do? Save. So I saved the mapping. If you don't save, it will not save. You need to do again. Now, once the mapping is renamed, you need to configure the source and target. Select the source. When you select source, in the downside window, it is having general, source, fields, partitions. There are four properties. One is general, source, fields, partitions. So I selected source. You can rename the source if you want. If you want, you can rename. Otherwise, leave it like that only, it will work. My source name is customers. I will just rename. This is just name. This is nothing but import. This is just name. I just renamed my source table or source transformation name. Now what you need to do now? You need to configure the source. How to configure the source? Click on source. So select the source. In the downside window, click on the source. Now connection name. Whatever the connections we created in administrator, if you have 10 here, it will show all the connections here. So CON and OTSRC Dev1, CON and OTDG Dev1, select this source connection. Object type. I will tell you all this later. What is this single object, multiple objects? So when you select here, it is showing single object, multiple objects, query, parameter. I'll tell you all those things as of now. Because my source table is 1, select single object. So connection name, object type is single object, object is select. Select the object. That means table you should select now. It will connect to the source schema, which is configured with this connection. And then what it will do now? It will show all the tables which are available in source schema. See now? It is showing all the tables which are available in source schema. We require customers table. And then click on OK. So my source is successfully configured. My source table is successfully configured. It will take some time because it is cloud. In real time, it will act faster, but here trial version, it will take some time. Yes, please. It will take some time. Otherwise, you need to refresh again. Let's see. Yeah. So now it is configured. Save it. Better always save it. If you don't save, it will not save, please. Now, if you see fields, where I am in, I selected source. I'm just dragging up, dragging down. I selected source, renamed the source, go to source under downside properties window, configure source connection, object type as single object, and source stable. Now, if you see the fields, it will show the fields which are available for source table, columns for source table, customer ID, name, address, website, credit limit, type and precision. Where these are coming from? These are coming from source. Same way, configure the target also. Select target. My target name is, rename the target customers underscore TGT. Rename the target customers underscore TGT. And then select this target button downside. Here we need to select the target connection. On the connection, select the target connection. Object type will be single object. And then object, select the table. We have only one table in target schema. So that is customers TGT. Select it, click on OK. And then save. Once you select it, always save it. Once you select it, always save that. So it will take 1 minute time. It will take just 30 seconds time maybe. Okay. Yes, please. Yeah. Now save it. Save. If you see, for target also we have target fields. We have general. We renamed the target. and then target, we configure the target, and then target fields. For target, we have 5 columns or 5 fields. Now source and target configuration is done. As this is a direct mapping, we don't have any transformations. Now what we need to do, once you save it, still the mapping is invalid. Still the mapping is invalid. One last step you need to do it. Okay, what need to mention in partitions? In partitions, no need to mention anything. Nothing. In the source partitions, you no need to mention anything. No, not required. Only in the source, you rename the source table, configure the source table, and check the fields. Select the target, rename the target, configure the target, check the target fields. If you validate this mapping, this is validate button. The right mark is in the top right corner. If you validate, it is showing as mapping invalid. Why? Because field mapping must contain at least once mapping field. You need to do one last step, field mapping. What is this field mapping? When we will use the partition, that is performance tuning concept. Partitions will be the performance tuning concept. I will that explain later at the end. Okay. So now what we need to do, once we configure the source and target, you need to do the field mapping. So it will not double click. See, if you select only that, that's it. You can drag like this, that's it. You cannot double click by like PowerCenter. If you double click, it will open, right? Here it will not open anything like that. It will just show like this only. Now how to do the field mapping? Select the target. Select at the downside window, select field mapping. So select the target. At the downside window, you can select that field mapping. Now you see these are the incoming fields from source. These are the target fields. Now you need to map them. Now you need to map them. Okay, now how to map them like this? Customer ID to customer ID, name to name, address to address, website to website, credit limit to credit limit. You can drag and save, or you can suppose you can clear this, you can clear the mapping, and you can auto map option. You can click on auto map, exact field name. It will auto map, or smart map also you can do it. I'll tell you all those things later. Now I just do the field mapping is very important. Like in PowerCenter, we drag it from source to target. No, same way here. I will explain this in the next session in detail. As of now, I just dragged the incoming field to target like this. I select a target. In the target properties field mapping, drag customer ID to customer ID, name to name, address to address, and then save. And then save. Once you save, the mapping is valid. Okay. Now let's ask you one thing. Done, guys, just 5 minutes. We will in Informatica PowerCenter, in Informatica IICS. In PowerCenter, we have a mapping, we have a session, we have a workflow. Same way. In IICS also we have a mapping. We have MCT, that is mapping task or mapping configuration task. Mapping task or mapping configuration task. Yes, please. Okay. And then for this, we have task flow. Task flow. Okay. Okay. In PowerCenter, tell me, in PowerCenter, are we going to discuss about CA? CA will be discussed after CDA classes. Last 10-15 classes will be CA. Last 10 classes will be CA. 50 sessions will be CDA. Last 10 will be CA. So can you run the mapping without in PowerCenter? Can you run a mapping without session workflow quickly, please? Can you run a mapping without creating session workflow? No. Can you run a session without creating workflow in PowerCenter? No. Can you run a workflow? Yes. After creating mapping and session, we can create workflow. Okay, and we can run it. But in IICS, you can just run the mapping. You can once you create the mapping, you can also create mapping task and run it. You can also create task flow and run it. Okay. Yes, please. That is what we can do it. Now, I can run the mapping directly in IICS. See, I can run it. In IICS, I can run the mapping directly here, run option. But we should not run this because mapping is having less options. In real time, we will always create a mapping task or a mapping configuration task for a mapping. So now once the mapping is created, we must create to test this mapping you can run just to test this. But if you want to work in real time, you must create a mapping configuration task. How to create? In the data integration, click on new again. Click on new. Here you are seeing mapping task. Sorry, mapping task. Process data based on the data flow logic defined in the mapping. Create. So we are creating a session. In PowerCenter, we will call it a session. But in IICS, we will call it as mapping task. Also call it as MCT. Also call it as mapping configuration task. Create. Once you create mapping configuration task, it will show like this. Okay. Where is my mapping went? It is here. In the left side, you click on it, mapping will open. In the left side, if you click on mapping task will open. This look and feel will be different on PowerCenter. It will take some time to adjust. It will take some time to adjust. Now, mapping task, you rename the mapping task. Mapping task naming convention is MCT underscore M underscore M MCT underscore mapping name. MCT underscore M underscore customers TGT. Now, again, secure agent, very important. Select the secure agent. Now you need to select the mapping. If you have 10 mappings, it will show all the 10 mappings here. We have only one mapping. Select it. So now it is selected. So the mapping image also shown here. Click on next. Now see, in mapping configuration task, we have many options like you can schedule the mapping task. You can give the email notifications. You have the advanced options, pre-processing, pre-commands, post-commands, and then parameter file location, parameter file name, execution mode, ELT optimization, advanced session like session properties. We have advanced session properties like session properties. We have advanced session properties. Okay. Yes, guys, just hold on. So that is why we should always. So what you need to do? You don't need to do anything. Just create the mapping task, rename the mapping task, and then select the secure agent, and then select the mapping. Click on next. You don't need to mention anything. I will explain this all these things in the later sessions, and then click on save. In the next session, click on save. That's it. Now our mapping configuration task also completed. Our mapping just create the mapping configuration task, rename it, and then select it. So now mapping is completed, and then mapping configuration task also completed. Now run the mapping configuration task. Click on run. Once you run it, it will show, see, started MCTM TGT view in my jobs. Here, my jobs is there. You can either click on this or go to my jobs. It will show the job status, or alternatively, I am in data integration. Go to monitor and refresh the monitor. It will also show here. Now it is succeeded. Click on this instance name. You can see the statistics here. You can see here. Okay. 1 second, just hold on. Just hold on, guys. Guys, hold on 1 second, please. 1 minute. Yeah, okay. So what you can do, we can see the monitor in two ways. What are the two ways? In the data integration itself, in the My Job section, you can see, you can refresh it and you can click on this. The same it will show here. Or go to monitor. Here monitor is there, no? Here also you can see the job here and you can click on the job and you can see the map, the task name, start time, end time, duration, secure agent name, source success rows, error rows. You can download the session log and see, and you can see here customers 319 records, read the records from customers source table, and loaded 319 records to target. Now go to check the Oracle database, go to Oracle database, go to target schema, and previously we were having 0 records. Execute now. All these 319 records has come to target. So in the next session, I'll explain you about the filter transformation and I'll explain you about all the options in the next session, please. Yes, guys. Are you clear? Understanding, everyone? Did you understand the first mapping today? Did you understand the first mapping today? So as I told you, today there is a special offer going on. As I told you, there is a special offer going on today. Okay. Yes, please. Hold on. Yeah. So the fee is 17,000. But if you join today, the fee is 17,000. If you join today, offer price will be 10%. That is 15,300. You can join for 15,300 today only. That is, today is the last free session. Yes, please. From next session, yes, please. It will be a paid session. So there is only special offer going on today. So please avail the offer, guys. Okay. Yes, guys. Understood, everyone? The duration is 2 months. Morning 8 to 10 a.m., evening 6 to 8 p.m. You can join any one session. If you miss morning session, you can join one evening session. Whatever I tell in morning, the same thing will be you will be covering in evening. Okay. So both CDAC complete concepts will cover. Two complex real-time projects will cover. Complete video recording access lifetime will be given. IIC software access provided. Complete step-by-step material. Complete interview questions will be provided. Resume building and Snowflake, GCP, AWS, Salesforce, software access and basics, certification guidance, Java assistance. Okay, guys. So if you want to pay the fee, you can contact to my team or you can pay directly to this number which I am showing in the screen. I'm sending you to you. I'm sending you can phone pay GPay number, or you can pay through credit card also, or NEFT IMPS also. You can, for registrations, you please contact with my team. Okay? Yes, guys. Any doubts, please? So before winding up, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Before winding up, so provide your phone numbers if you did not provide it. Provide your phone. If you're getting error, please contact us. We'll help you. Contact our WhatsApp numbers given in the Zoom chat. We'll help you if you're getting error. Okay. So before winding up, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Training. So please click on bell icon, and also please like and comment the videos. Also check my rajinformatica.com website. In this website, you can see many interview questions, material, and different courses available. And before leaving, please subscribe my channel. Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining. Thank you all.